Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
So we're diving into the Breville Barista Pro, huh? ASINB0BSVP9K2N. I've heard it's a workhorse for home baristas. What are your initial thoughts?
And I'm here to champion the Breville Oracle Touch, ASINBO73TYYM91. It's definitely in a different league. Think of it as barista-level coffee, but automated.
All right, Breville Showdown. Let's see what makes each of these machines tick. The Barista Pro boasts an integrated conical burr grinder with dose control. Freshly ground beans are key, right? You grind directly into the 54mm portafilter.
The Oracle Touch also has an integrated grinder, but it takes it a step further. After grinding, it automatically tamps with 10 kilograms of pressure. Consistent tamping is a game changer for extraction.
Okay, auto tamping IS cool. The Barista Pro has a manual steam wand, giving you full control over microfoam, good for latte art practice.
Oracle Touch has an automatic steam wand that creates perfect microfoam. You can adjust the milk texture and temperature via the touchscreen, and it stops automatically when it hits the sweet spot. It's all about convenience versus control, isn't it?
Exactly. The Barista Pro uses Breville's thermojet heating system and heats up in just 3 seconds. Impressive for a quick morning espresso.
The Oracle Touch heats up quickly too, but the real star is the touchscreen interface. You can select from pre-programmed drinks like latte, cappuccino, or americano, or customize your own.
Touchscreen. The Barista Pro has an LCD display that shows grinding and extraction progress, plus water temperature. It's informative, but not quite as intuitive.
With the Oracle Touch, you can personalize your coffee strength, milk texture, and temperature, and save it as a favorite with a unique name and picture. Up to 8 personalized coffees can be stored.
Wow, fancy. The Barista Pro lets you adjust the grind and shot volume. It has volumetric control for 1 or 2 cups.
The Oracle Touch has 45 precision grind settings and a commercial-grade 58mm portafilter. The larger portafilter can lead to more even extraction.
Sounds like both offer a good level of customization for dialing in your perfect shot. The Barista Pro has a decent 67-ounce water tank and a half-a-pound bean hopper.
The Oracle Touch is a bit heavier, at 35.5 pounds, and has a larger footprint. It feels like a solid piece of equipment. It really boils down to this. Do you want to be hands-on, learning the nuances of espresso making, or do you want a machine that does almost everything for you? And, of course, how much are you willing to invest? The Oracle Touch is significantly more expensive.
True. I guess if you're on a budget and want to learn the art of espresso, the Barista Pro is a fantastic starting point. Plus, it's currently on sale for around $680, a 20% discount from its list price.
And if you just want consistently excellent coffee at the touch of a button, and you're willing to pay the premium, the Oracle Touch at around $2,700 is the way to go. It's an investment in convenience and quality.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.